You probably think humans are the funniest creature on earth, but nature has a completely different opinion. Because somewhere out there, an animal is screaming like a human, another is throwing poop at somebody, and another one is literally carrying a dinner around like a handbag. Today, we're looking at 10 animals that are secretly hilarious. And trust me, number 7 sounds like something straight out of a cartoon. Let's go! Number 10. Monkeys. So monkeys have figured out something humans have been doing for thousands of years. Stealing. Certain monkeys are extremely opportunistic around humans and can grab food or objects when they get the chance. And the funniest part, they don't always run immediately. Sometimes they just sit there looking at you like, yes, I took it. And what exactly are you going to do about it? Basically, monkeys discovered petty crimes before the internet did.
No, that's mine. That's my bag. No. That's my bag. Go. Get away. That's...
Number 9. Goats. Yeah, goats. Goats are supposed to make normal animal sounds, but some goats completely miss the memo. Their screams can sound ridiculously similar to a human yelling, and once you hear one, you cannot unhear it. Imagine walking outside at midnight and hearing bah. Grab a flashlight, expecting a human emergency, and it's just a ghost standing there. Goats really said, let me confuse everybody today. Animal number 8. Sea otters. Now, this one is actually adorable. Sea otters have been observed holding hands while resting in the water. Why? It can help them stay together instead of drifting apart. So while humans are out here saying, are we still together? The otters are basically saying, hold my hand, we're not getting separated. Nature really gave otters relationship goals. Animal number 7. Penguins. Some penguin species use pebbles in nest building and courtship. And this is where penguins become incredibly cute. Imagine you're trying to impress someone. You might buy flowers, you might buy chocolates, but you might even buy jewelry. A penguin? It finds a nice little rock. Here you go, baby. Forget the diamonds. Penguins are out here saying, it's the thought that counts. Animal number 6. Sloths. Sloths move incredibly slow because their low energy lifestyle is closely linked to the diet metabolism. Basically, they are permanently running in battery saver mode. You could put a sloth next to a Monday morning human, and honestly, I don't know who would move first. The sloth will probably look at us and say, relax, there's no rush. Animal number 5. Flamingos. Have you ever seen a flamingo sleeping? They can rest while standing on one leg and somehow they don't fall over. Meanwhile, human can trip over absolutely nothing while walking on two legs. Flamingos are basically saying balance is a skill issue. Honestly, I need their tutorial. Number 4. The lyrebird. This bird is basically nature's professional impersonator. Lyrebirds can imitate sounds they hear around them. And we're not talking about just other birds. They can mimic things like camera shutters, alarms, and other environmental sounds. Imagine walking through a forest. You hear a camera going click, click, click. You turn around, the bird is just standing there like, gotcha. Naturally, nature literally created a bird with sound effects. Animal number 3. Elephant. Baby elephants are basically the toddlers of the animal kingdom. They are curious, playful, and sometimes still figuring out what all those giant body parts are supposed to do, especially the trunk. Imagine having a arm attached to your face and having to learn how to control it. Baby elephants sometimes tumble around while learning to use their trunks. I'm basically the animal version of, wait, how does this thing work? Animal number 2. Kangaroos. Kangaroos look cute until they decide they are not in the mood anymore. Male kangaroos can fight by boxing with their forelimbs and using their powerful legs. So if a kangaroo starts looking at you like this, maybe don't challenge it to a boxing match, because you might think, I can take him, and the kangaroo is thinking, I've entered the shot. And finally, number 1, the skunk. The skunk has one of the funniest defense strategies in nature. When threatened, it can spray a horrible smelling substance as its attacker. Basically, other animals need teeth, some need claws. The skunk just says, back up, last 20. Okay, we chose this. And then, problem solved. Honestly, the skunk might have the ultimate self-defense system. No fighting, no chasing, just consequences. And there you have it, 10 animals that prove nature has a sense of humor. But here's the crazy part, we haven't even scratched the surface. There are animals that can survive with being frozen, birds that can imitate machines, and creatures that look like they were designed by very confused scientists. So if you want more funny, weird, and unbelievable facts about nature, subscribe. Like and subscribe and share the video, because the animal kingdom is getting weirder from here. See you next time.